Habai keren halor ke jingjia ki jaka kaput hapdeng Kameghalaya bat Assam usambut menteri rangba ke jela ba Presiden Tynsong laong ba jingbym sngewthuh jingmut kalami hakikato kini ke jaka laong ro banado bathau ke regional committee hapdeng ki arli ke jela ke jingatli ke jingyat bet kalanang wan habai dei ke jingjia Maikhuli ba Presiden laong ba hakapor manswa ki nongsong chnong ka Assam klapersha ke jingtemu banbu ya ki post electric Hanrai hadin ke jingpatha joko sarkar ya ka office of deputy commissioner banyakren para deputy commissioner lala ban penbet ya ke jinge ula berap da ka baong ba ke jing penyang ik post electric kala sedang biang menta da ke jing menjur jong ki post sensyar na ke jela Assam.
Well, in fact, as of now, I don't say that it is out of control, but it's happening everywhere where the misunderstanding takes place. But again, let me tell you one thing. Right from that time when we constituted this regional committee in both sides of the states, we could see lot of improvement has happened. And in Maikhuli, I think we have seen it that the residents of Assam, they did not allow erection of electric pole in that area. But ultimately, we have instructed our GC to have a meeting with his counterpart, and even not only that, we went ahead by having a peace committee of those villages, and now everything is resolved, and even the erection of the electric pole is allowed by Assam.